Good.
Yes, sir. We got news at 8:30. We ain't been able to say that in a minute.
This shit gonna shoot up.
Break these highs of the day. I'll do the breakdown in a second. Feel good to have a voice on the stream, man. Feel good. I'll be sitting here by my goddamn self, talking to myself. All good. Live stream, thumbnail. What we gonna do today?
The team had 3 candles, no bottom width.
That's good to go. All right. All right, but so let's see. Daily candle closed hella bullish outside the range. So this candle closed above this resistance right here, far above this resistance right here. Overnight, we made this big ass bottom wick to the downside. So in a perfect world, we should just keep re-breaking this high, continuing up into this resistance over here. But we also have a resistance right here that we're coming into. So we will need some volume to push through this. But y'all know me, most of my damage is done on the 1 hour time frame. So 1 hour, 30 minutes. So let me see. Boom, 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 boom. 1 hour. We have resistances to the left right here. So I say if we can close above that, which it got stopped up right here ish already, it should be smooth sailing into here. Right there, which is the next resistance area. Long targets be up here. So I just basically try to find a resistance area in which price got held up at once before. So you see, boom, I'm gonna use circles or arrows. Let's see, arrow. So here, 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 and here. See how this whole thing is just held up. But once we finally do get a closure above there, we should be good to take it on up as far as sales. Likely just either under here, well, really under here. Under here will be fine because this is a support and there's nothing in the way until right there. So, like I said, these ranges don't be looking that big, but in reality, that's 90 pips. So, same as the case on a buy. Like, it'd be cleaner above all these, but truthfully, you could even justify trying to do something like above here as well. So we'll just see. Like I said, I don't like buying when it's too far away from the resistance, but if it closes like this, there's definitely some range up into this resistance up here. So best buys above here, but not so bad buys above this most recent resistance right here. We got news in 2 minutes, which we haven't had much of because of the government shutdown. But red folder news, core PPI, core retail sales, PPI, and retail sales again. And we also have news tomorrow, 8:30 unemployment claims. So volume should really pick back up. Not to say that it hasn't been present, but it ain't had that follow through that I like. So try and get these Perdia counts to 3,000 or 1,034 in 3 days. So let's see what we can do. This one's a little in drawdown, $100, $103. So those are my ones I'm focusing on mostly right now. So let's see. Let's see what it do. But at this point, just wait until 8:30. So 15-minute candles potentially about to close bullish. Say this candle like breaks this low and then like starts re-breaking it high, I would expect this wick to be filled, no lie. So we're gonna see. We're definitely gonna see.
Man, it's gonna rain hard as hell.
Yeah, it is. But technically this broke out of it. But we'll see. So I'm gonna just go chill on the 30-minute just because I'm waiting on a 30-minute closure. Move this back over here. Let's see. The last time we had news, I don't believe it did too much, honestly. So we'll see what we do today. This 15-minute, boy, it's about to break this low. Let's see. All right, so pushing up. No bottom wick, or it has a bottom wick, but it just shot up. It opened, it shot up. I wouldn't be surprised if this came down and break this low, but you did close above this range right here. So I'm gonna just chill. You definitely could take a break of the daily high, which is right there, 42.52, but that's about 100 pips away. So at this point, I'd rather not be sweating. So let's see. We'll just see how this candle closes. But not much of a, it just gapped up. Just took off.
I'm like, what type of news is that?
Right. It's still, I mean, it shot up 55. It shot up 55. And counting. I bet you on GC it had no bottom wick because this is MGC. Yeah, I knew it didn't, bro. Because I was like, that just definitely just gapped up. MGC.
Oh, I thought they'd be the same.
Nah, you would think so, but I just looked at how it happened. I was like, that definitely just gapped. It didn't make no type of bottom wick. But even if this thing does break the high, honestly, bro, say it closed like way the fuck up here. Like that's still hella range to here, hella range to here. So I don't know. If you want to take that, break it to that daily high, it's not a bad play. It's just, it's 8:30. My nerves ain't been on 10 the last 3 weeks. It's been nice. So but yeah, daily highs right there. 4152.2 is the daily high. It's been ranging, breakout. But price action wise, based off of like the daily alone, it should get going. Should. But I'd rather wait on at least a little 15-minute closure, something. So now, like I said, since I'm waiting on an 8:45 candle, more than likely, I kind of can sit and chill out on the 15-minute candle. I expected some more of a bottom wick than this, because like I said, this wasn't even a real bottom wick; it just gapped open. So just gapped up, no bottom wick, no bottom wick. MGC. I wouldn't be opposed to sales if we can get back down to here though and break back under here. That's a little ways away, but
I was just thinking that. Themselves are clean.
yeah, exactly. Now right into here, and it came right perfectly into there that last time. What time was that? Jesus. All right, I'm back. Let's see. These 5 minutes just keep running with no bottom wicks. Huh? I wouldn't be surprised if a 30-minute candle or 15-minute candle close weak bearish and start breaking lows. For real. We're gonna see. Roger, what time you got meetings today?
I clocked in at 10.
Oh, you got to clock
about
in
9:30.
Yeah. You going in?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This rain calmed down by then.
Yeah, bro, it's pouring, or it was pouring here. It's not bad now, but damn. It's not bad now, but yeesh. What's did you didn't end up taking another trade yesterday, did you?
I probably
did. You under 2,000?
Nah, I'm still with the 2,000.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. If I can get like 400, 500 a day, should be
good. He was like, I wonder what this 10:45 closure talking about.
Bro, telling you, bro, the moves be happening way later.
Way
11
later.
o'clock, 12. Like, damn.
You was trading that late?
Nah. I was looking though.
Yeah. You said like what, 2,200, 23?
Like 2176.
Oh, okay. Not too far off. You ain't throwing ones yet, are you? Or 10s?
I'll be doing like 8.
Yeah.
Just because I'm getting closer to the thing.
You ain't thrown over 10 yet, have you?
Nah.
Feel good.
I gotta get better at knowing how much to cut off and let it run.
Yep. That's what I did yesterday. I cut half and I let it run and I got back in.
Yeah.
Just gotta trust that you know what the hell going on.
See, it'd be better doing all that. It'd be better doing all that on the laptop.
I just cut it right there. It came up, but I was like, brother, the real stop is up here. It respected this little resistance, fell out right into that zone. That's why it's nicest when you're just using the highest time frames.
Yeah, it'd be better on the laptop, but trying to do all that on the phone,
man. I can only imagine. I can only imagine. But it's so crazy. It's like I just can't even believe that I was trading 6s and 9s GC earlier this year, bro. Bruh. -20 is a minus 1,800 times 5 account. You just like, bro. Fuck. But
he used to stay on trying to look for another.
Bro, sweating, man. I'm telling you, I did that shit. I did it, bro. That's why, I mean, I had to do what I had to do, but now it's just like trying to lessen the blows and trying to really trade. Rather than, because that, I ain't gonna call it gambling, because I mean, obviously I got paid from it, but them accounts can blow. Bro, when I started blowing accounts in like 4 trades, I was like, okay. All right.
Yeah.
Like, nah. I was reviewing actually some of my old accounts yesterday, cleaning up my TradeZella of my accounts that I don't have anymore. And I saw some accounts I took like 10 trades on, bro. I was like, what?
Yeah, it'd be a little slower, but man.
Yeah, Brandon.
I ain't stressed out yet.
Yeah, fact. Brandon, I mean, I don't know what your play is, whether you want to do 10 micros or 1 mini, but I think you got in the groove of just taking your whole position wherever you feel the necessary. So keep on stacking them ones for 25 to 35. It add up, man. It add up. Definitely adds up. I got my 10 micros over here. I'm basically just running 10 micros on every play. And I prefer being on the sim accounts, but it's not bad getting those everyday withdrawals. It's really not, even though they're lesser. It has been a long minute since I got in a payout on this account, for real. Just mostly because I ain't gonna say I took a break. I ain't take a break, but I had like shit to do, and then I was trying out different shit. So I'm at 8,830, and break even is 9,000. So hopefully I can catch a little 400 or 500 a day. I'll get back to my little everyday payout. That should be so nice. They rejected my last payout. That's when we made like 88 pips in 1 second. I was like, I get it. I understand. So hopefully tomorrow I can have a little payout from them. Then next week I have a little payout from Perdia. I just got to remember to take a trade every day with them because I be trading different groups now. So group 1, group 2. So I just got to remember, at worst, take a little micro for 10 seconds, win or lose $4 or $5. Call it a day. I was mad about that little win. But that was $880 in a second. I was not trying to pay that out. Let you hit for that on your real account. Happy. But yeah, so since we're getting a little far away from here, like this played out, but like I said, this was not a bottom wick. If I would have got a bottom wick to break this low, come grab some liquidity down here, and then start retesting, I would have thought it would come right up to here, and it did. But y'all know the drill. We in a damn range, like every other day. So when we get a closure above, I say here is fine, honestly, like getting above here, but here is best, even better. We'll see, because you see how this shit rejected that right there already. It's a 1 hour time frame. So shit, since you're that close, you might as well move it up a little bit more. Or come down to retest.
I like that one better.
I'm down here, start making some lows. I'm retest this.
Yeah, if it break below, I'm definitely putting a 10. Shit too clean.
Yeah. Close back under this. Or under this. Coming down into here and here. We'll see. But I got my little 10 right. I've been like, damn, bro. When I get around, it's not hard to get like 30, 40. Like 40 becoming pretty smooth. But bro, it's that follow through. It's like it go 40, then plus 20, 15, 20. You like, do I hold it? Or do I just let this shit hit a stop profit? But I want to just catch that smooth little 10 for 50, 60 and just call it on that set of accounts. The price action of the day says we're supposed to buy, just off of the daily candle closing outside of this range. We just coming right up into this resistance right here. But shit, if we close above there, bruh, which I don't want to have happen, get back into these damn daily high or these all-time highs. We got a ways to go.
About to grade that little W, the last leg.
Yes, bruh. Doom. Hopefully. Hopefully. I'm not a trend liner, but maybe we can look at something like this. Niggas just be making stuff up, bro. They know they don't see that. Trend line. I'm like, boy, you lying. You are lying. You cannot tell me no damn trend line is gonna respect yada yada yada. Boy, do you see clean range to the left? Yes or no? That's all I need to know. We pushing though. This shit moving like molasses. We done did nothing.
Now let's start moving.
Yeah. Looking like a 9:30. 9:15, 9:30. 41.52. For 9:30, I have a buy stop right now. But no, sir. I'd rather, like I said, let that bitch come up here if it wants to. Wait on that weight down and get in on the re-break. Take it up into this. I guess you do have a little resistance right there that I would target first more realistically. So I'll move my first target down to there. Take a target up to here. Keep eyes open around here, which is still 80. Like, bruh. It's so much range above all this shit. Need a big day on these, bro. Like 15, gets like 1,500, 1,600. That'd be great. By the way, whoever's thinking about starting new accounts, whether that be on YouTube or in the group, right now, Cardia is doing big ass sale. They're doing 50% off, which is smooth. So you can get your first account for 60% off with code PERDIA60, but you can get all the other accounts for 50% off. And they use TRADECOPIA, so they use this platform rather than this platform. But it's all the same shit.
I think Top One had a discount too, ain't it?
Yeah, 57.5. Same shit. You can use my code and you get the highest amount. I wonder if mine's even better. I'm about to go look. But yeah, Top One has a big ass discount right now too, y'all. Nice. 57.5% off. 289 with for a 50K, 349 for 100K. Crazy. Let's see. Yep, 288.58 with my code Trading Homes at checkout. So whoever's looking to get an account going, you use my code at checkout, Trading Homes. You get the same code, or you get the same discount that they give with theirs. So help your boy out. I want to say, bro, they're giving these accounts away. 57.5% off on the one-step elite challenges too. So $45 you can start an account. There's really no excuses to not starting. There's a lot of discounts coming out, especially this week with Black Friday. I know I'm gonna load up on a few more. But it's funny, they released this last Friday and I bought some accounts on Thursday. So I paid $509 for 300Ks. And then the next day they released them a 50% off. So it is what it is. But I like PERDIA in the sense of all you gotta do is make 3,000 before you lose 3,000. Reach 3,000 before you lose 3,000. No consistency rule, no nothing. But at the same token, what I did the last time was I just withdrew the whole account. So 3,226.60. I just got the 2903. And once you do that, the account is gone. So what is good about these other accounts that make you get to say 6,000 on a 100K account is you at least have a buffer to keep the account after. In this instance, when you make 3,000, you gotta like, or you should probably withdraw only like 1,500 or like 1,000 to keep trading on the account. But me, I'm like, I'll just take the money that's on the table. Like, if I get 3,000 all three of these, I'm gonna take my 9,000. And if I feel like buying the accounts over again, I'll spend the 1,500 again. But that was essentially 1,500 to make 9,000 in the span of 2-3 weeks. That's perfectly fine to me. But like I said, the right way to do it is leave some money in there so you can continue to trade the accounts. But don't say nothing but a couple bad trades and that little 3,000 turned to nothing. So I'm good. Give me the money that's on the table, and I'll reconvene when I feel like it. Yeah, they smooth though. They smooth. It paid out in a day.
No consistency rule.
No consistency rule. No consistency rule. I rock with it. Yeah. Yep. I had to do my little due diligence on them research to make sure everything was straight, but true enough, everything was good.
It's still 10 days though. You got 10 trading days.
Yep. 10 trading days, 5 days making over $200. So 659, 179, 203, which equals 1,034.2 in profit. But I've only had 2 days of over 200. So that's why my consistent days are only 2. But no consistency rule, which is, I mean, it's interesting. Like, bro, their shit is crazy. You can only withdraw, I say only, but you can only withdraw 10,000 at a time. But bro, if you saw a trade you love and just said, bro, fuck it, I'm gonna just throw a 10 on this bitch and reach a 3,000 for 30, bro, you could trade 0.01s or then you could need to make $200 a day for the rest. But that shit's straight. That shit's straight. I like it. I think this shit can fall out. Let's see. We'll see.
I'll give me 2 accounts. Trade one way, trade the other way. I'm done.
Hey, what? I'm telling you. Like, that's why I like these. I was like, okay, I'm gonna see how quickly I can get these 3,000 quickly. But shit, if I got some money to play with, I might just say, hey, man, fuck it. Throw a little two mini and just see if I can let that bitch run, or 3 mini and let it run. But no consistency rule is crazy. Okay. Brandon, you might be right. I hate that MGC is showing it like this because it's really should be showing it like this. And when this shit breaks this low after making a top wick, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing came on down into here and here. We gonna see, especially after respecting this. But I don't know though, because the 1 hour is about to close. Bullish as hell. So it's like, how far is it really coming down? Let me see. What is the bottom on GC? 4139 point. It's 4139, I think. Oh, 4139-ish. I think the move is still up, but I just think it may want to do this, make a support, and then continue up for the day. But we're definitely gonna see. Get back on my MGC. This 1 hour is about to close in 40 seconds, right at resistance. It might hold off till 9:30. If it holds off till 9:30 and starts breaking this high, that'd be great. I'll take it right up into here. No looking back. 20 seconds. Yeah, this Every time frame is closing strong bullish, except the 15, but even that's closing bullish. Yeah, ain't nothing going on. What we gonna do? What we gonna do? Just want to fall the way it fell out right here. Brandon kind of called it. Every time we got into this little area, what has happened? We gonna see though. I'm sure this is called something. I'm sure this is called something. Some people will say, sell right when you get into here. Put your stop loss above it. And let it rock out. But it definitely makes sense, Brandon. Definitely makes sense. What happened damn near every time we came over here. It just when it pushed through hard. I mean, even coming back a little further, like we definitely gonna see. Definitely gonna see. But you wouldn't want to wait on a bearish candle to close before jumping the gun. And Brandon, it's almost like you called it. Oh, yeah. This is good, though. This is good. This is good. But for real, though, it's like you come into the areas every time. What happens when you get to this area? Like I said, I'm sure that's called something. I'm sure it's called smart money or some bullshit. 38. Shitting me. If you would have gotten at this top right here, somewhere up there, you see like 70. Oh, I'm sorry, my fault. 120. Where price kept tapping into. Every time you got into this, like I said, like there is way people have traded like this before. It's just like you put a stop loss basically above all the wicks, like above here or above here, and say shit. Every time price came into here, it fell out a little bit. So I'm anticipating that it's gonna come into here and fall out, and that it did again. Risk about 50, 60, 70. Already seeing like 115, 120. Smooth, bro. That's not how I trade, but it's definitely smooth. Yeah, bro. Fact. I think I remember. Yeah, I remember it. But it's swaggy kind of trades like that too, like getting into a zone and like setting the stop or the buy limit or sell limit and just putting your stop loss above where you expect to not go above. So if we know that every time we kind of got into this zone, this area, this shit can do all this all at once. But as soon as it got here, it started to fall out. We're gonna see. Definitely gonna see if this thing wants to go ahead and start rejecting off of here to continue up, or if we want to just close back under here to continue down, or close back under here even more so to continue down. I think there's a way to catch it between here and here before having to wait till all under here. Yeah, that'd be us waiting on another 130. Like, I just want 40, 50 more times than that. I love seeing that mic unmute.
5 minutes left.
5 minutes. 4:15. Same shit. Let's see.
You're moving so slow.
13 versus 3.
I'm gonna get out this range.
Bro, it's so bad. So bad. This ain't doing nothing, bro. Like 5 minute, made a little move down on a quick spike, but it's just coming back up. 1 hour still open, which is bullish. The 4 hour still open, which came into 2 resistances right here. The daily is right at a resistance. So at this point, it's like I either need to be getting back under here, or above all this shit. But this is pretty much nothing. Currently on the 15-minute candles because waiting on the 9:15 closure. You might as well go ahead and get dressed, my boy. I don't really see nothing at 9:15.
I was just about to say that.
I damn near want to go take a shower after I hit the gym earlier. I ain't sweat too much today though.
Nothing about
A
to
little
happen.
light day. But bro, this ain't nothing. I'm sure it's gonna be one of them days where shit start popping off at 11 or 1 or 2. Well, yesterday all this shit happened at 1:30 p.m. No bottom wick, closed below the range, no top wick, just straight up for 185. Another next 15-minute candle continuation. 316 pips in 30 minutes. 2 15-minute candles. But clean range. Nothing in the way. You had all this shit, but the most recent. 1 minute. I can't even like comfortably take this sell down because you got this support right here too. Like it's just in a nasty little spot. But I'll go over the analysis again. So once again, I see these resistances right here, right here, right here. Kind of tapped into it, close to it right there. So just really waiting on a closure above here. Targeting this support right here as a first stop. And while I likely would take some profits before that, that's 85 of clean range, nothing in the way. So I would anticipate that we should be able to go ahead and go once we do that. Get above there. Sells look best either under here again or under here. So Brandon, you trading your pre-live account or are you trading your pre-live account or are you trading your sim accounts? Or both? Let's see. How much range is this? So filling this wick alone is 38. If I got like a good top wick, I would think about it, but yeah. It was 54 on the break of the low, but it will open straight up. Just because it's created a resistance. I'm trading all three, believe it or not. How do you do that? Different computers and laptops? Different browser windows. I remember I was doing that shit, trying to trade on different browsers or not different browsers, different devices. They kept like kicking me out because it said something about my API key. It would boot me out every single time I tried to log in. VPNs exist though. Yeah. Your API key is right here. Top Step really said they done with y'all. No more Project X for nobody. That's crazy. That is crazy. So it'll be going through February 28th, but other than that, people said they about to start using TRADECOPIA. I'm sure they're gonna make their own versions of Project X, quite honestly. So it's not. Oh, okay. Yeah. Damn. You over there playing the keyboard? Or you just gonna be managing your bet the best you can? I remember I was trading on this screen, and this screen going like this. I'm like, bro, I can't do this. Especially with the way I'm cutting risk and trying to cut 70, 80% here and there. It's just too much going on. Did not do that. Yep. Mm-hmm. Brandon, I told you I had two or like all four accounts in my funded futures family account. Bro, them bitches are $140 away from being cooked. But God, back up 136. Had to take that shit slow. And what's so crazy is I've had one losing play on me. That's crazy. Yeah, I mean, that's, and also I just saw your message about missing or making, right? It ain't that big of a deal. Like, there do be sometimes where it's a quick jump, but it can be in your favor too now. So it is what it is. Like, you ain't crying over 4 or 5 little dips. Whatever, good or bad. Just choose the account you really want to focus on and use that one. But man, look, 2,144 in a day on this one. But every other day has been green days. That's why I was like, yeah, let me turn this shit on around. Let me just go ahead and turn this shit on around. This is the day I had to look in the mirror. Because I was like, bruh, I'm over leveraging too bad. And this is the results of scaling that shit back. And that's just on one account. Like, I got 4 of them. So when I started taking that step back, that's when I started eating a little bit better. But this is called sweating. I know this was all of 3 and 4. 3 and 4 or 2s and 3s, sitting in minus 50. I'm trading with Funded Futures Family, Top One, and Perdia right now. I'm gonna load up on some more Lucids and Tradeify soon. Just 50Ks though, just to save a little buck.
You don't got shit about to happen 9:30.
Yeah, I'm thinking about the break of this high at 9:30. If we get a wick down, re-break of this weak bearish high, take it on up into here and beyond. Because the 4 hours still open, the 1 hour is still open. Like the 1 hour is still open, so it's still bullish. So probably targeting either up into, the Wakefield. So we'll see. But I know I ain't doing nothing until 9:30. Brandon, you got it set right now, or are you in your mental? Like a re-break of the high? I want that 9:30 volume push. Uh-oh. Brandon said you about to get in it right now. Came down, retest that area. It don't look bad. You'd be into it right now. I guess I'll just miss it if it just goes ahead and goes, but it does look good off of this 5 minute coming down, breaking this high, taking on up right into here. But I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait on 930. Just the run on one. Yeah, with as much volume as we're following with, I'd rather wait a little. But if I get the next candle that wicks down first, then starts re-breaking this high, respecting this and even these, I'm ready. Let's see. 5 minutes. So everybody do what you gotta do. Stretch. Chill. Roger, when you getting out the door?
Probably about 9:40.
Yeah. If it closes, shit, I think either way it's gonna come down. Or it's gonna go. I think either way it's gonna go. If the 30-minute candle can wick down first and then start re-breaking this weak bearish high, I expect it to quite easily fill this. Like, this is just 40 pips. But if the 1 hour starts re-breaking at all, man, it should come up into here for real. But if this 30-minute can close, it really like this. I mean, preferably under here, but really more so anywhere. Man, this shit should come down with 930 volume for real. So we'll see. We'll just see. Let's go.
Don't close below.
I hope so.
Yeah, even if I can get a wick up, I'm finna go. Trust my 930.
Yeah, exactly. Like, even if I didn't close below here, I would anticipate that we should just get going regardless. So, all right, let me go ahead and chill out at 930. Damn. It was moving a little slow, lagging a little bit. Come on now. All right, so that's finally the retest. We finally came down to tap it. So here's the retest area. So if this can perfectly reject off, make a bottom wick, and then start breaking this high again, I do think it can go straight up for 50, 80. But we'll just have to see. If it closes, if it wakes up first, and then the 30 minutes starts breaking down, good. Come on down into the support level right here. But we'll just have to see. I'd rather get a closure blow if I were to take that. I would. But 930 is coming, so let's see. Oh, damn, we just went through the whole playlist from the top. Bro, this looks so good for sales. Closure below all this shit. The 4 hours still open. Bearish flip. Man. In my Tonio voice. And hey. Come on now. They need to stay right there though. You do gotta support that you shouldn't really be worried about, but it's there though. So you do want to respect it. But if I saw 40, 50, I'd be cool with that. I just wish it would close up here. Come on now. A little higher than this. Roger, we need to wake up, brother.
Promise you.
But it happened yesterday. I said, bruh, this shit about to fall with no top wick. And it sure did. And I caught my little 74 on that one. So let's see. Because as y'all know, I can't really, I may be able to use this high as a technical stop. But for the real stop is all the way up here. Like all this. So I don't know. We getting a little tight, bro. There we go. Pull back. Oof. Oh my word. 1 minute left, 40 seconds. Man. It just depends on my top league, honestly. What are we doing? You got to support right here.
This shit gonna blast down, bro.
That's 48 still. Let's put it here. Let's see a top league. Yeah.
Oh shit.
Yeah. This shit. I would like it to tap this though. Okay. I'll set myself stop on the rebreak of that low. That's actually a really good closure. The real stop is all the way up here, y'all. 90 pips. Probably what, I mean.
Order filled.
Stop filled. Order filled.
Shit. Yeah. Wait, what happened? Wait, what?
Order filled. Order filled.
All right now, bruh. This shit's doing that bullshit again.
Order filled.
What's happening? Okay, there we go. Hey.
Come on, man. We're at the top.
35. Boom.
There we go.
Boom.
Order filled.
Bet. Let's go. That's it. That's what I'm fucking talking about. That's it, man. That's it. That's what I'm talking about.
Lock out.
I'm like,
close laptop.
yes, bro. Yes. Damn. That's it, y'all. That's it. That's all. How many pips was that? 490. So 50 pips. 50 pips. Where's my exit over here? Good shit. Damn. 41, 31.1.
Damn, let me not get too excited and forget something.
What'd you make on that?
500.
Yep. See? Yeah. What's your balance at now, brother? We gotta finish this shit out tomorrow.
Damn, I didn't get a chance to look. But I think I'm like 300 left.
Okay.
So.
Bet. All right. I was accidentally pressing the wrong button over here. So I was like, what's going on? But there we go. So we good now. So 501 across those 4 accounts. How long did that trade take? That was a 37 seconds.
Trade, bro.
Bruh,
I'm just glad it gave that top width.
Yes, bro. And that's what's the crazy thing, because it tapped it perfectly. That's why I was like, bro, I really wanted to come up here. Yeah. So I got out 5 pips late over here. It is what it is. Brandon, this is what I'm talking about. So on my personal account, 4131.1 was my entry, 4126.2 was my exit. And on my TradeCopia account, 4131.1 was my entry, 41.26.7 was my exit over here. So that's 5 pip difference. So it is what it is, but made 501.60 over there and made 477 over here. So because I threw a 12 over here, I threw a 10 over here. That's not a bad trade though.
That was a great trade.
Just waiting. Oh, I'm gonna mark it back up. If you can get in the Zoom chat while I ride into the office, do that.
What you say?
I said if you can get in the Zoom chat while I ride into the office, do that.
Okay, I got you.
Yeah. I'm gonna look for something else. Damn, I'm annoyed that I lost that little 100, but I ain't tripping. It's not that big of a deal. Because for whatever reason on my accounts, bro, it keeps exiting me out as soon as I get in. I'd be like, what is going on? But whatever. These damn copiers be something, boy. All right, so that was so simple. 121.7.2. I'm gonna do the analysis real quick, bro. This shit about to fall, and I'm gonna chill just because I'm gonna wait on a closure as I would on any other time frame or any other time. But I'm definitely done with those accounts for today. Those accounts are 500. You can't beat that. So I can make a withdrawal now again, Brandon. I feel like a winner. It's been a minute. I done claimed from the depths of hell. We here now, man. Look at that. 985, 779, just losing, bro. That's why I was like, bro, let me get my bag again. Let me get my bag. Like, taking all the damn trades. Bullshit. But let's see. Mark that up. Bro, that was perfect. That was literally perfect. I really had to stop loss above here, but like real deal, you was just fine right there. Wasn't doing nothing but targeting this right here. So copy image, upload here, boom. Same case as the, was it the 30 minute? Yeah, the 30 minute and the 1 hour. Yeah, more like 30 minute. Yeah. All right. So basically 30-minute candle closed back in range, candle opened with very little top wick or bottom wick, sorry. Bottom wick, targeted 30-minute, targeted 30-min / 1 hour support plus 50 pips. Price continued to run after potential remember potential to utilize runners. 30-minute candle closed back in the range right here. This candle wicked up with very little bottom wick. Entered on the re-break of its own low. Entered on the re-break of its own low. So boom. Didn't do nothing but targeted this support right here. So kind of like this support. And that was it. That was a trade. Price continued to run after, but you'll often hear me say that's not my business. So yeah. Really simple trade. 50. Then the next 5 minutes, the same 5-minute candle came 75. It's touched right around 110. So it's a lot of potential in these candles, y'all. A lot of potential in these candles, and y'all know 930 is my baby. 930 is definitely my baby. He said May 95, might say. Brandon, what you use on the what you use for your live account? Five micro. So you made like 23. I'm being scary. At 930, you know damn well that shit don't run more than 30, 20 little pips. On a 5 micro at that. Boy, I just sent you that tweet yesterday. Man, we can't be scary, bro. It's not built for it. This game is not built for being scary. And that's kind of where I'm like, bro, that's why I'm letting these trades run 50 and 60 and 70 these days. I'm like, bro, there's so much potential. Damn, part of me want to continue to trade this account, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna secure the payout. I got to get over 180 to have a payout. You got to make more than 2%. I forget what it is. You got to make something over 180 basically to get a payout. But we about to hit daily lows though. If we hit daily lows, I'm going for it. So let me see. Those accounts are done for today. But what's 2247 is my other account. So 2247. If I see 2247, or sorry, now if I see the daily low, man, I'm back in there. Come on now. Whew. Oh, this is crazy. Crazy. Brandon, you maxed out on every account for the day though? Boy, look at this shit. It complete the whole pattern right into it. Damn. If I did enter, I'd do something real small just to make sure I don't lose nothing stupid like a 3 micro. Try to catch another little 50, 60 bucks. But the daily low is right here, which is 4106.1. But we came right into this little 15-minute area that I was, or 30-minute area that I was looking at. So if we got a closure under this, that'd be cool. But 477 on this account in 37 seconds, I can't be mad at that. So cool. Everything feels just right, I will say. So up $600 on. Oh, let me check out my per diem accounts. Yes, sir. Running them. Yes, 1535.8 over that halfway point. We getting out of them lows though. Just gotta have that conviction and trust that it's gonna run, because what it really did was it came down and it came back up, so it actually would have got me out at break even by like a pip or two. 41.31 was my 41.31.1 was my entry, so this would have definitely got me out. It came up to 41.35 after seeing 60, 70. I definitely would have stopped at break even. So all this looks great, fine and dandy, but would not have caught it. It would have hit my break even, and it just would have been what it was. But down a little hundy on this from user error, what we like to call it. But overall, very good trade. What is that called? That was a fake out. So that was a fake out, y'all. Fake out because this candle closed above, came back down, closed below. Kind of like a fake out, quote unquote. So, let's see. This is crazy that this is one 15-minute candle, because the 5 minutes coming up like this, but a 15-minute is closing below. It's slick, still good to run down. I may try my hand. Let's see. Let me make sure I'm not on those accounts, the right account. So 2247 that account. 2247. Brandon here for the vibes now. He said I done maxed out, so I'm just kicking it. 2247. Did you lose the money you needed to lose? Yeah. Come on, 15 minutes. Just go ahead and close below then. Why not? Shit. Man, part of me want to just go for the biscuit, but I really am not trying to lose. It's been so long since I had a payout on these accounts. This is a guaranteed 260 to the bank today. You go for the guarantee, or you try to max. There's a fine line between being greedy and being stupid. Or not being greedy and being stupid. Greedy, stupid, and scary. Because if you're being scary, that's not the way to trade. But being greedy is not the same thing. I just been hollering about how I want a good trade and how I want to, make a little payout since it's been a while. And by the grace of God, here we are. I'm staring at it. Could go ahead and withdraw that little 260, 270 after the split today. But part of me want to max these motherfuckers, boy. We gotta get a 1 hour closing here soon. If I did anything, like I said, it'd be like a little 3 micro. I saw like minus 30 on it. I still would be eligible for a payout. Just gotta stay above 180, and I'm at 308. So. Brandon, what did we say the whole time though about this damn area that we were talking about? The whole time. But let me lock in just in case I want to set this sell stop. I want to break it this low. Like I said, I'm throwing. If I got in, I would throw a 3 micro on me. I'd throw a 3 micro. Break of the daily low at 4601.1. So I'm gonna have it set just in case I take it, but it's still a little ways away. Still a little ways away. But we just broke all these highs on the 4 hour. And man, if we come down after grabbing these highs, come all the way down and re-break the lows, we shouldn't stop really until like, you should get at least 100 out of that. Let me see. I can't even set no damn buy limit over here because they ass gonna be like, you made money too fast. That's all. I just gotta manually manage it if I see 10 seconds. So it's just a 3 micro though. Like, man, I can make 100 pips and make 300. It ain't. And if I lose, I lose. It's just that 10 seconds, Brandon. And then 10 seconds, man. It's getting close. So big jumps around on me or pulls back real fast. Best believe I'm cutting it. It's a 3 micro. 4106.1. Let's see, 10 seconds. I'm gonna try my best to wait the 10 seconds. Playing with house money. Playing with house money. So I can't lose no more than like 45 or like 40. Let's see. Getting close. Close. Got real close. Boy, I'd have been sad if it got me in there. Pull back 30 quick. Two minutes for a 5-minute closure. I damn near need to count out loud, Brandon. 1, 2, 3, 4. It just, when you see all that damn jumpiness, you be like, shit. It's get me out. I'm looking at plus 150 pips. And it was 3 seconds. Oh, man. Man, this shit shouldn't stop until down into here, bro. I bet this next 5-minute candle gonna go ahead and make that push. I'm gonna go ahead and get in real tight on the 5-minute. Move this little green line. I'd be cool if this thing could fall right into here, bro. For 70, about 70, 80. Not gonna lie, if it falls, I'm moving my stop into profit immediately. Yeah, true, you don't want to lose. I guess if you make that little amount of money, they can take that little shit. It is what it is, but to like take see 30, 40, 50 and then lose, trying to play their game, you like, man, fuck y'all. But what y'all talking about? You got a resistance right here that's like, but more so I'm looking down into here. And if they get down into there, bro, that's 140 pip fall. And it can do it. And it can do it. It definitely can do it. So I don't know though. That's why I'm throwing literally a 3 micro. Like if I make an extra 60, 90, $120, great. I lose. Okay. I still make a withdrawal. So let's see. It's about 40 some odd pips away from the entry point right now. Still closing, respecting this. It just jolted down a little bit. All right, let's see if it can go ahead and get me in on this one. Man, is this shit about to fall like crazy? Oh, this is a great area that I can just use as my stop. If they want to get me in, man, I'll close out right there. How high is that? Yep, 40. Right there. Brandon doesn't want to give me the fall? I don't know, bro. I don't think it does. Respecting this 5. I know you just watching at this point. Wait. You ain't just watching. You can still trade on your live account. There ain't no consistency in a live account. And you only traded, yeah, I'm tripping. He locked down on his sim accounts, y'all. He locked down his sim accounts. My bad. For everyone that's new to this daily low play though, it's a gamble. It's a gamble. It's literally you're anticipating price to re-break the low of the day and just fall the hell out real fast. It might give you 40, it might give you 10, but you just gotta be quick to cut it if it goes against you. That's all I can say. It ain't really no method to this madness. Two minutes before this 5 minutes. Honestly though, Brandon, no matter what happens right now specifically, if this 1 hour candle can still close below this, even well, hopefully this, but even this, there's some room to go. There's definitely some room to go. We're gonna see. If it closes respected. Oh no, let's see. Probably gonna delete my little buy stop or sell stop for a minute, since we're just a little far away from it right now. Another.
Perfect.
All right, I'm gonna delete this. Delete this. Let's see, 2 minutes before this closure, this a 1 hour closure. It doesn't look like we're gonna close below. But this 15-minute respects this support. What do we do every other time we did this? Damn, this shit moving too much. I want to close like down here if there was a power gonna take it. Granted, it shouldn't be an issue. I just know that this 30-minute support is right here and right here. Right here. You got a 1 hour support kind of up there. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Brandon, what you looking at, my boy? Because at this point, with the way this 1 hour just played the okie doke, You got a 30-minute candle that's closing hella bearish. But it's for closing respecting. You got a 15-minute candle that's closing bullish, but respecting. You got resistance or supports about 37 pips up, 35 pips up. Depending on how this candle opens, I might try my hand at something smaller. Let me make sure. 1180-2247. Let me make sure I'm on 2247. Cool. I tried to take 5 minutes out of that. You want to see it run? Yeah. I don't love how much this is run. I wish this was closer, like to down here. Let's see. If this can come, I need it to come like all the way down here. I ain't gonna lie. Like, especially for a second trade of the day. I want to see more than this. If I did take anything, it'd be a 1 micro just to record a trade. But that's not bad. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Yeah, that's not bad. Let's see, using about 40 re-break of its own high. So yeah, let me set the buy stop on the re-break of its own high. Nothing crazy. Just anticipating that this 1 hour is bearish, but it's closing. It got closing no top wick, rejecting out of all of this stuff. I do anticipate it to make a top wick, so I wouldn't sit in this for long. I just would want it to come up to like right up into here for about 40-ish. And if this just wants to just fall the hell out without nothing, it is what it is. But these accounts are done for the day. Now I'm on to these accounts that haven't taken a trade yet. So let's see if I can catch anything with those. It's about a 45 pip stop right now because it's the new 1 hour low. But if it can come into here, that's fine as well. I reject out of it perfectly. Let's see. Like I said, the 30-minute close bearish, the 1 hour close bearish. The 15, I would just be taking in anticipation of it coming and making a top wick for the new 1 hour candle, wherever that may be. But no guarantees of anything. It may be getting a little too far out anyway. Brandon, we might be close again to our baby. So this stop is 80 pips now. A little too much for what I'm looking for. Maybe. We'll see. Likely, yeah. But it did reject out of here last time. Let's see if it does it again. And it's might be deleting that though. I'm gonna delete for now, and if I gotta add it back, I'll add it back. Part of me think this shit about to come down, just with the way we just made a new resistance on the 5 minute. We just have some right here, but we'll see. Okay. And I added that. 5 minute pushing up. Three seconds, 2, 1. All right. New 5 minute open window, bottom wick in. All right, let me go ahead and set it once more. 3 micro. Ooh, coming quick. This will just be the 1 hour making a top wick is all. I don't anticipate being this long. 4126.4. Whatever happens. But I'm just trying to take it up into this resistance right here. Using this 5 minute low as the low, most likely. Ain't no point in putting this sell limit because I got to stand it for 10 seconds. And once again, it's just a 3. But it wound up respecting this area again. We have no top wick on the 1 hour candle. We're re-breaking potentially a 15-minute high after it came and grabbed this area, came down to this support. Some part of me, like I said, Brandon, be wanting to take that shit off of them supports. I'd be like, oof, that don't look bad. Because it just came up to here, which is 4120.4. And after tapping into that support right there, so 4120.4 gave about 50, bro. Like, it's crazy. I be seeing it, man. I be seeing it. It's just like I can't pull the trigger on that shit if it's not my plan. But I think if it re-breaks this high, even if it gave 15-20, bro, if I got 10 seconds on the clock, I'd be happy. But I think that should give a quick little 30-40 for real. Should give a quick little 30-40. I would like it to happen like sooner than later. I don't want to keep playing in this game. I want the 5 minutes to go ahead and break this high after respecting this area right here that I identified on the 30. The real stop is all the way the hell down here. But, all right, so let's see if it can get me in. Ooh, close. Got it on. I actually have it on the re-break of the highs. 4122.6. It came right up to it. Didn't get me, thankfully. 47. Again, making sure I'm on 2247. Let's see.
Order stop filled.
There it go. I know there's more than 10 seconds. All right, I know I'm at 10 seconds plus now. Come on. Finish it on up. Come on now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Cool. Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. I got to take a little micro just because I didn't make it yet.
Order filled.
Because I got to get my 200. Come on now. Push up. It came right to it. I'm out over here completely. I got to take my micro over here because I ended up making 198. Come on now. You going. You going. There we go. Push up. Like 4 or 5.
Order filled.
192 again. Damn. Man, look. I'm at 228 on this account. Okay, cool. So I made 228 on this account. Good trade. Once again, same shit. Different toilet seat. 41. Damn. This shit jumped so bad on me. I only made like 20. It like spiked, but it's all good. I'm off for today. So I caught what I needed to catch. 100 pips total. Okay, Joseph. Congrats, my boy. Congrats. That's amazing. So let's see. I think I'm back in the green on my. What's my per dia account at? I've made 200 today. Yep. So per dia account 228.40. 192.40 over here. 127.60 over here because I took an accidental L. So yeah, man, that's. I don't know what more we can ask for, chat. Like, I really just don't know what more we can ask for. Brandon, Adrian, Joseph, appreciate y'all rocking with me. And we'll be back at this shit tomorrow for the last day of the week. So let's keep growing. Let's keep killing it. Thank y'all for hopping on. Always. Brandon, I'll hit your line.